This dashboard you're seeing right now was created using just raw Excel data. And look at this. We have 7 powerful sheets: KPI, YoY growth, monthly forecast, regional analysis, department analysis, and finally, expense breakdown. Now here's the exciting part. If you want this dashboard, simply comment executive, and I'll share the website link with you. Let's see how easy it is. Just drop your raw data into Excel, and boom, your professional dashboard is ready. And yes, you can even export the complete dashboard to Excel. Wow, look at that. Clean, attractive, and professional. I hope you like this dashboard. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we're starting something exciting. 100 days, 100 dashboards. Follow along, and let's build something amazing together.